Today we are going to be going over my makeup essentials for summer. So these are just going to be some makeups that I have tried and used, and the ones that I love to use for the summer. You know, in the summer it's hot, you're sweating, and we need makeup products that are just going to hold up during this summer heat. So, you know, let's go ahead and get into some summer makeup essentials. The first product that I have is my Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen. One of the most important things for you to do this summer is to make sure that you have SPF on. And this is one of my favorite SPFs to use, you guys. I love it. I do have some more on my list that I want to try, but I have not purchased those yet. So as of right now, I am enjoying this one. Absolutely love it. It's absolutely favorite product. I use it up under my makeup. I use it when I'm not wearing makeup on those days when me and the kids just want to go to the pool and just hang out. Just like if I'm going outside of my house, you know, I'm gonna your girl gonna grab her something to go on her lips, because her lips, they dry year round, and some SPF to go on this face, because I'm just gonna just go on a little, elaborate a little bit. If you're using certain skincare products, they tell you, you know, make sure you wear your SPF. So if you're using vitamin C's, brightening products, correction, like even skin tone, dark spots, serums of any of that sort, a lot of those products are going to tell you to make sure that you use your SPF. And I love this one by Super Goop because, as I said, you could put it under your makeup. You can wear it with no makeup. It's clear. It doesn't give you no white type of feeling, and it doesn't, to me, it doesn't have that that sunscreen, that SPF scent. So this is just a really good one. I know a lot of people that use it. So my next product I'm going to go into is my primer. It's my Tata Silk Canvas. You guys already know that I love the Tata Silk Canvas. This is the original formula. I also have the liquid formula, but this product, I wear it year-round. Okay, it's a filter finish protective primer. I do put this on top of my SPF. Put my SPF on first, and then I will go in with my Tata Silk Canvas. You guys can see that the Tata Silk Canvas is like almost completely gone. I'm using this one up, and then I'm also going to be incorporating some new products in along with the products that I already love. Okay, so next we have my foundation. My foundation for the summer, I was between two different foundations, the Nars Soft Matte and the one that I chose. The reason why I chose this one is because I've used it a lot longer. I've used this foundation during the summer. I've used this foundation during all year, so I've thoroughly tested it. The other one, the Nars Soft Matte, I don't think I've actually like tested it in the summertime, but this foundation I've used all year. I've used it through the summers. I've had it for a while. It's one of my favorite foundations, and I definitely think you guys are going to need a matte foundation. Me, I love a matte foundation in the summer. It's just, you know, when you're sweating and you're hot, and if you have on something dewy, you know, to me, they're not gonna be able to tell if you're dewy or baby you're just dripping sweat everywhere. So I love me a good matte foundation, and this foundation I've used. I love to use it in the summer. I used it last summer. I've used this foundation. I've worn this foundation year round, and you won't be disappointed. Absolutely love it. One of my favorite matte foundations to date. I really enjoy this product. So next product I use this in a different type of way. So it is the Peach Perfect the mattifying powder. You guys know that Too Faced came out with a matte powder, I think last year or sometime. I'm not sure. It's been out for maybe a year or so now. And if you're oily, I could just definitely see you setting your entire face with this, because this powder right here is definitely going to matte your face now. But I'm not an oily type of person. I'm really a normal skin person. I would say combination. I'm not really a dry person, but I do, when I do my face with my moisturizer and stuff, I do build my skin up. So I don't know, I'm just different. But I do like to use this foundation with the primer. And I'm gonna tell you, I do the trick we all learned from Jackie I. So after you've put on your sunscreen and you put your primer on, then I like to take a little brush and just put this some of this on top of it, and then just go ahead and spray some setting spray on top of that, and then go in with my makeup. To me, this helps keep, if I do get oily, it's like around here, it just keeps like oil from popping through, and it definitely will. I feel like this was definitely like, if you need like matte face, this right here is gonna match up. I definitely think this is definitely will work for like the oily people out there, to just matte down that face, to just set that face down. So I have another powder. It's the Urban Decay All Nighter. I absolutely love the Urban Decay All Nighter. I just feel like this powder is just one of those powders that you just use, your makeup does not budge. You know, you're not going to have a lot of transfer. Like, your makeup is going to look good. And so after those hot summer days, you definitely want your makeup to look very, very well. And this is going to just keep your makeup together, whether you are sweating a lot or not. I have mine in the waterproof setting powder. It is a waterproof setting powder, so when you're sweating, I just feel like this right here is just gonna keep your makeup looking good. When you go out through your day, I would keep this one in my purse with a little powder brush, and then just touch up and reapply. I just feel like this is definitely going to be a really amazing summer essential product that you need to have in your bag to get you through those very, very hot summer days. I feel like I have so many powders in this in this edition. So I also have my Laura Mercier powders. I use this under my eyes. I use my Laura Mercier powder year round, and I'm so excited. I have a new powder that came in for us to try out. So I have been using other powders. I have been testing out other products, but my Laura Mercier is still my favorite. But I do have another powder that I just purchased. It just came in today, and I feel like it's going to, I don't know if it's gonna give Laura Mercier a run for her money. I would like to hope that it would, because it's a very high-end powder. So we're gonna be testing it out on camera. But you guys know, like in my videos, I use different products, and I'm always testing different things out to say what works with what. So when you get these type of videos, essentials and favorites, then you can know, like, okay, well, she's been testing these products out, and you know, she's really enjoying these products, and that they work and they're doing what they're supposed to do. They definitely want to make these videos. Okay, so last but not least, I have my setting spray. This is my all-time favorite setting spray. It's my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. I definitely feel like this product right here keeps your makeup in place. It's going to keep it lasting a lot longer. I definitely have a mini, but when it's Silicone, I need to get me a bigger size. But this one is brand new. I haven't opened it. He was like, if it's your favorite, why haven't you opened it? I haven't opened it because I love it so much. I don't want to use it up, and plus I have like a lot of more setting sprays I've been using. I was using that Fenty setting spray. I used that up. I used up one of the Watermelon Glow recipes. I have another one of those. So I have a lot of more setting sprays and a lot of more products and a lot of more stuff I want to use up. And when something is your favorite, you kind of want to savor it, but you also definitely want to experiment and try other products. So if that product is better, then you would know which product is your favorite. So that's just how I am. I'm constantly trying new products and different products and better products all the time on the channel. It's just, you know, so we are a makeup channel, so that's what we do. So you guys, I have one more product. My lips stay dry year round. So I'm always using this fresh sugar, not necessarily this lemon one. I have a lot of these. I have the lemon one, a watermelon one, a lime one. So I have a lot of these, and I love these. I keep them around along with the Laneige ones. And to hydrate my lips, you could just throw this in your purse if you're not wearing makeup that day. And I just like to hydrate my lips. I mean, my lips are pretty much, they stay dry year round because I don't drink as much water as I should be, but my lips stay dry year round. It doesn't matter, so I always need something to hydrate my lips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below. Let me know what are some of your summer favorite essential products. Just know I'm still testing out products. I still have some primers that I have in my collection I haven't tried. I think some setting sprays that I haven't tried. I'm still trying out different skincares and different types of stuff. I do have a little skincare regimen that I'm enjoying right now. So just know, like, if you see me like change up, I'm always using different products all the time. But let me know what is like your summer favorite product. Like, tell me a product that you have to use every summer, and if you're out of that product, you have to go run to the store and put it in the bag right now. I think mine would be, if I was completely out of it, I need to go buy it right now. I think it would be my Tatcha, because you know I use this primer so much. I use it all the time. Tatcha, and because I have a lot more, I have different primers, but this is my favorite one. But I'm about to start incorporating a lot of my different ones into my makeup routine. I'm just trying to go through this solid one so I can start back using my liquid one. I don't want to start on the liquid one until I finish up this solid one, because I really think the liquid one is like my fave. But I got to use up this one, and then once I use up this one, I can start incorporating different products in there. But yeah, leave your girls some comments down below. I'ma holler at you later. Y'all already know this is your girl.